Namaskar, this is Bhagwan Kulkarni. I welcome you everybody to this channel, Brahmin Satya, our predominant channel. I have come here after a long time because there were some personal tragedies at my end and some business issues also. Therefore, there was a big gap in between these videos. But now I will try to come here on a regular basis and keep upgrading and keep informing you and get knowledge from you by your remarks on this and enhance the culture of our community and enhance the productivity of our community. Today's my subject is basically education. Education for our children, our generations to come. Now, here in India, we have limitations as far as education is concerned because due to we have even getting admission in education on merit is also difficult due to the reservation policy, and even getting a government job is also difficult due to reservation policy, and even after we get the job, getting promotions and also it is very difficult due to the reservation policy. Now reservation is here to stay for some more decades in India, and when reservation is here to stay, our generation has already suffered due to reservation, or the one generation before us has already suffered due to reservation, but we don't want our next generations to suffer due to reservation. Now, when we have started this Brahma Satya Mahavidyapit, Dr. Irani has been doing an excellent job as a Vice Chancellor of this Mahavidyapit, and he is really doing an stupendous job for this. I congratulate him and I say a lot of thanks to Dr. Irani. But now in this particular video, what I am going to inform you, that is, we are starting graduation courses, 3 years graduation course, and during that 3 years we will be teaching you two foreign languages along with English. So these two foreign languages along with English, you will get proficiency in those languages in 3 years, and during that 3 years you will also take degrees from Pune University for BBA, BA and BCom. And with these languages, with this graduation, you will have a standard to get a job there abroad. Basically, we are promoting four languages along with English, that is your German, French, Japanese and Arabic. At all these places where people do require work, they require people to work for them. There are a lot of job opportunities over there, but their basic requirement is for their language. So language is a barrier over there for getting a job over there, which we will give you a proficiency. We will not just teach you language, but we will teach you to communicate over there. So by the time when you become a graduate with this two languages, and when you go there, you are 100% sure to get a job over there. So we will basically try to get you a job before landing in those countries. But even if you don't get a job before landing over there, once you go there, within a month you will get a job. This is what we can ensure over there. Already we are talking with the respective consulates and this language speaking consulates. There are 3 lakh job opportunities in basic Japan. Now this is not only limited to your only educated people. Even less education people have jobs over there, like you have retail counter jobs over there, you have jobs in retail outlets, jobs in petrol pumps, job in different banks. So right from the lower cadre of the strata to the higher cadre of the strata, you have job opportunities there. We are all hard-working people, and we means it is seen that when we go abroad, we are more hard-working than what we are here today. So basically, to enhance our to enhance our productivity, to enhance our life, we need to be mobile, because staying here is not going to suffice for another 2 generations probably. And with the kind of attitude towards our community by others, is highly objectionable. But being a educated community and being a community with a minority this thing, we cannot do anything. We cannot do much, and then we cannot go into the wrong hands, and we cannot even do the wrong work also. So therefore, my appeal to all of you is that you come here, join Brahma Satya Mahavidyapit, come to the Brahma Satya Mahavidyapit, go through the website over there. After going through the website, just see the website. If whatever problems you have, just post your problems over there. We will definitely get back to you. We will be shortly starting the courses. Most probably during Diwali we will be starting the courses, and but those courses would be virtual, at least as far as my knowledge goes, till May or June 22. Post May or June 22, we will definitely start physical classes, because physical classes are required. So we will definitely start physical classes, and while doing this physical classes, we would definitely do everything for you. And these physical classes would start from your June or onwards in Pune. So let us see how it works out, how the third phase of COVID also comes, and we will be giving you an option of loan also for these courses, and option of along with this option of loan, we would definitely ask you that only those people who really require educational assistance, financial assistance, should avail this loan. Those who can afford it, please you can please don't take this assistance, because we have to give assistance to a lot of people from the rural areas, or from the people from weaker sections of our society. So my appeal is that for our next generation's future, let us come up, study foreign languages, go to foreign places, and conquer the foreign industry over there, make our fortunes over there, make our career over there, and come up in life. Let us not sit here and let us not sit here and waste our time. Of course, our roots are here. We will earn money over there, spend money over here, and enhance our life over here also. But till the point of time this reservation is there, we will definitely have to look into this matter and get our children, our future generations to work for there. Today only this much. Thank you very much.